Now we are going to discuss the exercise problems from the chapter 1, real numbers. So in that, the first question is, use Euclid's algorithm to find HCF for the following three problems. So what is HCF? HCF is a highest common factor. That means in the given 900, 270, what is the highest common factor? That we have to find. So the method is Euclid's algorithm. You no worry about the Euclid's algorithm. Euclid's algorithm is simple. It's like a division. So first problem, 900, 270. Solution, 900 is greater than 270. So divide 900 with 270. So divide 900 with 270. So now you check with 273 is roughly 273 is 3 into 0 0, 3 sevens are 21, 3 twos are 6, 6 plus 2 8, 8 10. 273 is 8 10. Subtraction 0, take carry 10, 10 minus 1, 10 minus 1 9, okay, 8 minus 8 0. So now you got remainder 90. This remainder 90, divide 270 with this remainder 270. 93 is check roughly 93 is 3 into 0 0, 93 is 27, 270. So now remainder is 0 you got. So when your remainder is 0, you can stop the process. So what is this immediate one? 90. This 90 is the HCF of the given two numbers. So HCF is 90. This is the answer. It is a rough work. Rough work. So this process is called as a division algorithm. So next we'll see one more problem. We'll see the first third problem. So what is the third problem? We go for back page. 1651, 2030. 1651, 1651 and 2032. Okay. So now 2000 solution 2032 is greater than 1651. So now divide 2032 with 1651. So now 1061 ones are. What is the subtraction? Take carry 12. 12 minus 1. Oh, no, sorry, no need. 1 minus 2, 1. Next, 3 minus 5. Take carry 10. So 13. 13 minus 5. 13 minus 5, 8. Next, 9. 9 minus 6, 3. 1 minus 1, 0. So now again, divide 1651 with 381. So now again, when you're dividing, check it roughly. 381 4 is 4 1 is 4, 4 8 is 32, 4 3 is 12, 12, 3 15. So how much? 1524 nearest, okay? 1524. 381 4 is 1524. So now take carry 11. 11 minus 4, 7. 4 minus 2, 2. Next 6 minus 5, 1. Now divide 381 with 127. Okay. So now one check roughly. 127 3 is 3 7s are 21. 3 2s are 6 8. 3 1s are 3. So 127 3 is 381. So when you remainder 0, you can stop the process. So what is the immediate remainder? This one 127. This is a highest common factor. HCF is equal to 127. So this is about the third problem. Now we'll check